Thinking about upgrading your Ford Mustang stance or handling? One of the most popular questions we receive is, should I install wheel spacers on Ford Mustang? For the Ford Mustang, wheel spacer push the wheels outward, widening the stance. This not only gives your Ford Mustang that aggressive muscle car look, but also improves handling by increasing track width, better cornering stability, increased grip, and reduced body roll. Another common question is, are wheel spacers safe for Ford Mustang? First of all, not all wheel spacers are built the same. Cheap universal spacers might seem tempting, but they can cause issues like vibrations or even damage to your hubs. That's why I always recommend hub-centric spacers. These are designed specifically for your car, ensuring a precise fit between the wheel and hub. This reduces vibration and keeps your ride smooth, even at high speed. Now let's talk about materials. BONOSS Ford wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6. The spacers are built to handle the stress of hard driving. The forging process actually makes the metal tougher and more durable than cheaper cast options. BONOSS wheel spacer with active cooling technology. This wheel spacer have a pencil-shaped groove design that channels air towards your brakes as the wheel rotates. This helps dissipate heat, cutting down on brake fade. Plus, there are multi-stage hub-centric designs. Make sure the spacer locks onto your hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel studs are made from high-strength SCM 440 alloy steel, meeting ISO grade 12.9 standards. If you are considering Ford Mustang wheel spacers, remember they are more than a cosmetic mode. They improve stance, stability, and performance when you downright. Always choose a precision product to get the most from your Ford Mustang.